ETI Director Nalaka Edirisinghe, the fourth suspect in the Swarnamahal Jewelers Ltd case, has given up to the Criminal Investigation Department (CID) at around 9 a.m. earlier today. Lawyer at law speaking to Nalaka Edirisinghe said his customer couldn't give up yesterday because of well-being reasons. ETI investors who assembled close to the CID premises focused on that lawful move should be made against the arrestees without giving bail. Last night, January 5, Attorney General Dappula de Livera had coordinated the Inspector General of Police (IGP) to lead a criminal examination against the directors of the ETI Finance and Swarnamahal Jewelers Ltd over their association in working an unapproved account business. In like manner, previous directors of Swarnamahal Jewelers Jeewaka Edirisinghe, Anjalee Edirisinghe and Asanka Edirisinghe were captured by the CID, following up on additional mandates from the Attorney General. Examinations are being completed over the unapproved acknowledgement of stores worth 13.7 billion rupees, misappropriation, and illegal tax avoidance, Attorney General's Coordinating Officer State Counsel Nishara Jayaratna said yesterday. Head legal officer has likewise chosen to advance prosecutions against the directors of Swarnamahal Jewelers for leading an unapproved account business. In an assertion, police spokesperson Digajith Rahana said the Attorney General has offered orders to deliver the arrestees under the steady gaze of Colombo Fort Magistrates Court. Investors of Swarnamahal Financial Services plc (SFSP) and ETI Finance Limited (ETIF) had leveled charges against the two foundations over different abnormalities which occurred since 2011. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa, on the 9th of January a year ago, named a presidential commission to test bad behaviors, anomalies and misbehaviors. The board was led by Supreme Court Judge retired K.T. Chithrasiri. Genuine monetary issues looked by the ETIF prompted the intercession of central bank in the offer of resources to settle its contributors. The resources included SFSP, EAP Broadcasting Company Limited with its auxiliaries, EAP Films and Theatres Limited, and its auxiliaries Hotel Sapphire Private Limited, Swarnamahal Jewelers Ltd, and other steadfast resources claimed by the ETIF. Afterward, the matter of ETIF and SFS was suspended with impact from 13 July 2019, following a choice taken by the Monetary Board (MB) of Central Bank. On 25 July, the central bank initiated paying remuneration of 600,000 rupees for every ETIF and SFSP investor from the Sri Lanka Deposit Insurance and Liquidity Support Scheme (SLDILSS). The report of the Presidential Commission was then given over President Gotabaya Rajapaksa on 8 October.